Beloved warrior, pay attention to the Almighty's thunderous call as He pierces through the veils of your struggles and echoes His divine intention for your life. You have faced financial difficulties, spiritual desolation, and physical hardships, but know that you are not just surviving. Rather, you are on the verge of a monumental breakthrough. Your heart is strong and fierce, having withstood the onslaught of those who sought to take advantage of your goodness. But like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you stand unwavering, forged in the crucible of hardship. You are here fortified by the omnipotent presence of God, who has been your shield and your sanctuary throughout this turbulent journey. And prepare yourself, for the healing you have long sought is speeding toward you with divine velocity. God is a master creator of miracles, and His hand has saved your life more times than you can imagine. Think back to the terrifying instances when disaster threatened, the near misses that could have destroyed you every single time. You are a living example of God's amazing works, and it wasn't just luck that shaped your path and kept you safe. At this moment, you are living through an incredible chapter of transformation that will echo throughout your life. Every brave decision you make and every ounce of effort you put into your development is reshaping your destiny in ways that will astound you the most. Metamorphoses frequently begin with the smallest seeds of intention. You have reached a higher vibrational frequency and, by divine law, are now drawing blessings that align with this higher state of being. Your surroundings reflect the radiant changes within you, signaling the significant changes that are about to happen. Do not shrink back, dear warrior, remembering that your God is infinitely greater than any challenge you face. If the weight of the world seems insurmountable, give your burdens to Him, because He has already cleared the path for your triumph. The Lord is my strength and my shield. My heart trusts in Him, and He helps me stand firmly in this truth with unwavering faith. Reclaim your power and get ready for the avalanche of blessings that are about to cascade into your life. Watch this video without missing a single second, and I will make a secret prayer for you at the end, dear child. Fear not, for His promise remains firm. He will lead you through the fire and deliver you to the shores of triumph. Listen to the holy voice of the Spirit as it addresses you by name and acknowledges the everlasting fire that burns inside of you, a fire that was ignited by the breath of the Almighty Himself. You are not merely a creation, you are a divine co-creator, woven into the very fabric of heaven's design. The Lord has empowered powered you with sacred authority to shape the world around you, for He has placed the keys to your destiny in your hands. Embrace this divine truth with a heart full of faith, for when you awaken to the glorious reality of your divine identity, you shall see heaven's gates swing open, ushering you into a season of unparalleled grace and overflowing abundance. You are not a bystander in the grand unfolding of creation, but an active participant, a chosen vessel through whom the Lord's will is manifested on earth, each step on your journey of inner healing. Each moment dedicated to spiritual growth draws you nearer to the miraculous fulfillment of all that has been divinely promised today. Rest in the sanctuary of God's boundless love. Drink deeply from the well of your own soul strength, and see how the light of divine favor blossoms from within, illuminating every darkened corner of your being. Cherish the divine image stamped upon you, and let self-love flow like a healing river, cleansing away every doubt and fear. Speak words of life over yourself, for in the quietness of your soul, your affirmations become sacred, declarations consecrated by the Spirit's breath. As you cultivate your inner peace, you draw nearer to the heart of God, attracting His blessings, effort bathing in the light of His divine embrace. Be patient, my love, as you give yourself over to divine timing. Every moment is predetermined and meant to bring you closer to the divine fulfillment of God's promises. Walk this sacred path with a spirit of grace and expectancy, because the rivers of God's favor are already flowing through your life, and every mountain of adversity is being cast into the sea. This season, let the Lord's Spirit raise you higher into realms where miracles are not just possibilities, but certainties. You stand on holy ground where the promise of Jeremiah echoes with power. Have faith that the Creator is shaping your path, and as you concentrate on taking care of your inner world, everything will come into divine alignment. If your spirit is prepared to ascend into the fullness of God's divine blessings, let your faith be the bridge that carries you into the wonders prepared for you from the beginning of time. I have loved you with an eternal love and drawn you with unwavering kindness. Receive this love and allow it to transform your entire being. Type 1111. If you're a spiritual person seeking to transform your life and the lives of those in your inner circle, you need something different. Southwest, take special attention to this message. Have you ever questioned why you haven't been able to manifest? It's easy. In less than 7 days after hearing this 1-minute prayer, you will begin to draw money and abundance into your life. This biblical 1-minute prayer brings prosperity and richness into your life. Would you like it? Step with respect into this holy new week, for the divine has woven it with boundless possibilities and a promise that runs like a river of grace. Click the link below to learn the wealth secrets of divine prayer to attract money and plenty into your life. Beloved child, open your heart and express your deepest wishes as holy declarations, knowing that a loving God who takes pleasure in bestowing blessings on His children will hear them, and they will ascend to the throne of heaven. As God sheds His brilliant light upon your road, embrace each step of your trip with the bravery of a lion and the humility of a servant, bearing an unwavering thankfulness for the riches that is already pouring into your life. Be ready to see things that are beyond our comprehension. There is no darkness that His light cannot penetrate, no sorrow that His touch cannot turn into divine restoration, and you will find peace beyond comprehension in the sacred act of surrender. Let His unwavering love and eternal faithfulness wrap around you like a protective mantle, guiding you through each moment and every chapter with a grace that knows no end. Rest in the holiness of this present moment, because it is here that His Spirit meets you, filling you with the stillness and assurance that every breath and every heartbeat is in rhythm with the divine's perfect plan. Miracles that reveal His boundless power and breakthroughs that reveal His deep and enduring love for you. Develop a profound sense of thankfulness for all of life's blessings, both visible and invisible, and firmly believe that God is working everything out for your benefit. The future is not a far-off horizon. Rather, it is happening right now, filled with the glory of the Almighty, who has chosen you for extraordinary things. Recall His holy pledge. I'll go ahead of you and straighten out the crooked areas. I'll slash the iron bars and shatter the bronze gates. Isaiah 45:2. His divine timing is flawless, directing each moment with faith in celestial precision. Breathe deeply and allow His Spirit to lead you, for it is guiding you toward blessings that surpass your wildest expectations. Remain steadfast in your beliefs, dear, letting the peace of Christ fill you and direct your actions. Trust in God's process and revel in the knowledge that His plan for you is as quick and limitless as the heavens. Every halt and every turn is purposefully planned to prepare you for the wonders that lie ahead. Type 555 to confirm that you are ready for the benefits that lie ahead, and let this proclamation rise like incense. As the Lord's mighty voice thunders through the celestial realm, announcing a divine restoration that will shake the very foundations of the earth, the heavens tremble before the throne as a testament to your unwavering faith in His promises. This is not just a whisper, but a resounding proclamation that pierces the veil and reaches the ears of every child of the highest He. These words, dear one, carry a message of hope and restoration that will uplift your soul and kindle a holy fire. What has been taken or lost from you is about to be reclaimed within your soul with such vigor that your enemies will shudder. The enemy, in his conceit, has erected high walls of frustration in an effort to stop the flood of blessings that are rightfully yours. But don't worry, for the Lord is rising with an unstoppable power that is prepared to tear down every obstacle and crush every opposing force that dares to stand in your way. You are about to experience a supernatural revelation that will allow you to claim every promise that the enemy believed he could withhold from you. David said, "The Lord has broken through my enemies before me like a breakthrough of water." This is not merely a story from antiquity. It is a living, breathing reality for you today. Just as God exploded through David's enemies, he is about to unleash a torrent of blessings that will wash away every barrier, hindrance, and doubt that has clouded your vision. Get ready, child of God, for the floodgates of heaven are about to open, and you will be drenched in the outpouring of divine favor. Now is the time to rise up and claim your victory. Don't be afraid to voice your suffering. If you must, cry aloud, because each tear you drop is a holy release and a therapeutic way to share your hardships and victories. Yes, pruning hurts. The molding is uncomfortable, but you must remember that you are transforming into something extraordinary in this divine process of becoming. You are being refined into a vessel of glory and power, ready to embark on new adventures and touch the lives of those around you. Embrace the radiant beauty of who you are becoming. For your pain is not in vain. It is a source of empowerment, a width through which others will find healing and hope. God is good, and His goodness is unfolding in your life. Even in the midst of your trials, delay does not mean denial, for God is not a man that He should lie. His promises are infallible, and they will come to pass as you navigate this sacred holiday season. You may be grappling with challenges, but remember, if you are a believer in Jesus, your life is firmly anchored in His hands. Lord, I'm hurting, and I need fresh grace from you. Now He is the God who brings comfort in the storm and hears every cry of your heart. Seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. Prepare yourself for the extraordinary, dear one, for the supernatural is about to unfold in your life. Expect the miraculous, the unexplainable, and the unexpected, for you are now in a magnetic state, attracting divine favor and blessings like never before. Open your arms wide, for the heavens are ready to pour out an avalanche of grace upon you. Type 100.0 and proclaim your readiness to receive the bountiful overflow that is about to invade your life. God, thank you for giving me life and happiness, for guiding me in the right path of peace and salvation. I love you. Thanks for watching. To support our channel, hit the subscribe button and be the first to know about new videos.